Okay, real quick, what if I told you that Earth gets hit by space rocks every single day? Yep. I'm talking about asteroids, meteors, and those fireballs you sometimes see zooming across the night sky. And trust me, what's happening above your head right now is way crazier than you think. You won't believe this about asteroids and meteors, especially the one that wiped out the dinosaurs and the one that almost hit us a few years ago. If you're into cool and surprising facts like this, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's make science fun again. So, what are these things? Let's break it down. Asteroids are basically space leftovers. They're like cosmic junk from when the solar system was just being born, leftover building blocks that didn't quite make it into a planet. Most of them hang out in the asteroid belt, a kind of cosmic parking lot between Mars and Jupiter. Now, when a piece of an asteroid breaks off and zooms towards Earth and enters our atmosphere, it becomes a meteor, aka a shooting star. And if it survives the fall and crash lands, it's called a meteorite. So yeah, same object, 3 stages. Like Pokemon evolution, but way more dangerous. 2. How often do they hit us? You ready for this? Earth gets hit by about 17 meteors a day, big enough to be noticed by scientists. That's over 6,000 a year. Most burn up in the sky like fireworks we didn't pay for. But sometimes, they land. There are more than 60,000 recorded meteorite impacts on Earth, and chances are a small piece of space rock is sitting quietly in a museum near you. 3. The big one. Dinosaur killer. Let's rewind 66 million years. A massive asteroid about 6 miles wide slammed into what's now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The result? Boom. Mass extinction. Goodbye, dinosaurs. That impact released energy equivalent to 10 billion atomic bombs. Fires, shock waves, tsunamis, and a cloud of dust that blocked out the sun. It was Earth's worst day ever, all from a rock falling from space. 4. Close calls you probably didn't hear about. Let me introduce you to 2002 MN, a city-sized asteroid that flew by Earth in 2002. It passed within 75,000 miles, that's closer than the moon, and we didn't spot it until 3 days later. Yeah, it was like someone throwing a brick at your window and you only notice when it whizzes past your ear. And don't forget Apophis. At one point, scientists were genuinely sweating over this one. It was expected to hit Earth in 2029. Now we know it's gonna miss barely, but it'll be so close you might actually see it in the sky without a telescope. 5. Space metal worth more than Earth. Let's talk treasure. There's this asteroid called 16 Psyche, chilling out in the asteroid belt. It's made almost entirely of nickel and iron, stuff we use here on Earth for everything from coins to skyscrapers. Estimated value, over $10 quintillion. That's enough money to make every human a billionaire. NASA's planning a mission to explore it, and who knows, someday space mining could be a real thing. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, I see you guys already packing. 6. Are we doing anything about it? Yup. Planetary defense is actually a thing. In 2022, NASA tested something called DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Basically, they slammed a spacecraft into an asteroid to knock it slightly off course. And it worked. It's like a space version of bumping the cue ball to avoid disaster. So yes, Earth has a space bouncer now. Still with me? Nice, because the craziest part is still coming. Let's talk about space rocks landing on people. Yeah, it's happened. 7. When space rocks attack. People. In 1954, a woman named Ann Hodges in Alabama was literally hit by a meteorite while napping on her couch. It smashed through her roof, bounced off a radio, and hit her thigh. She survived, but imagine trying to explain that ER visit. She became the only confirmed person in history to be struck by a meteorite. So what happened, ma'am? Oh, nothing. Just got attacked by outer space. So the next time you're stargazing, remember, that shooting star might actually be a piece of ancient space rubble from billions of miles away, entering our sky for one final light show. Asteroids and meteors aren't just space junk. They're time capsules, danger signs, and maybe even the future of human mining missions. Crazy, right? If you enjoyed this ride through the cosmos, you're gonna love what we've got coming next. So hit that subscribe, drop a comment, and let's explore this weird, wonderful universe together. And hey, next time you see a shooting star, maybe wish for a helmet.